In the vast, uncharted expanse of the cosmos, humanity embarked on a daring quest for the stars. This narrative recounts the pivotal moments that shaped our understanding of the universe and propelled us further into the great unknown. The saga began in 1957, as the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the world's first artificial satellite. The somber, 184-pound sphere sent shockwaves across the globe, marking the dawn of the space age. The United States, not to be outdone, responded with Project Mercury, the inaugural human spaceflight program. On May 5, 1961, Shepard became the first American in space, soaring 116 miles above the Earth's surface in a 15-minute journey that catapulted him into the annals of history. Yuri Gagarin, the Soviet cosmonaut, had already claimed the mantle of first man in space earlier that year, but it was NASA's John Glenn who would be the first American to orbit the Earth. On February 20, 1962, Glenn circled our planet 3 times, inspiring a nation and solidifying the space race. In 1969, the world held its breath as Apollo 11 prepared for lunar landing. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin descended onto the moon's surface on July 20, leaving humanity's first footprints on another celestial body. Armstrong's poignant words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the universe, encapsulating the magnitude of the moment. The space race continued to escalate, with the Soviet Union's Salyut 1 becoming the first space station in 1971, and Skylab, America's first space station, following suit in 1973. The 1970s also saw the first spacewalk, performed by cosmonaut Alexei Leonov in 1965, and the launch of the Viking 1 and Viking 2 spacecraft to Mars in 1975. The 1980s and 1990s witnessed the rise of the Space Shuttle program, with its first flight, the Columbia, launching on April 12, 1981. The shuttle's reusable design revolutionized space travel, paving the way for multiple missions to repair and expand the Hubble Space Telescope. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, these milestones serve as a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. From Sputnik to Mars rovers, from Apollo 11 to the International Space Station, our journey through the cosmos continues to unfold, promising a future filled with wonder and discovery.